Hi, my name is Tomer Nahumi from XtremIO. Today, I'm going to show a demonstration of integrating Commvault IntelliSnap feature with XtremIO all-flash storage array and creating a one-time VMware virtual machine snapshot. On the screen is a Windows 2012 virtual machine. This VM is sitting on a data store called DS01, which resides on XtremIO storage array. This machine will be our test VM for the backup and restore demo. So the first step will be configuring the Array Management tool in the Commvault Administrative Interface. The Array Management tool records the configuration details for all arrays that will be utilized with IntelliSnap technologies. In the main interface, navigate to Storage and then to Array Management on the top menu bar. The Array Management menu will appear. Select Add. Now, the Array Management Properties menu will appear. Set option as follows to configure the XtremIO array. We will finally click OK to save the XtremIO array configuration, and then click OK again to exit the array management screen. The array is now configured in the Commvault administrative interface. In the next step, I'll configure a new storage policy for XtremIO array. IntelliSnap software functionality will require a software policy to control retention and secondary operations. From the main Commvault administrative interface, expand Policies. Right-click on Storage Policies on the left side navigation bar to launch and create the Storage Policy wizard. Click New Storage Policy. Select Data Protection and Archiving. Enter a name, for example, XtremIO Policy. Select the library. Select the media agent, which in this case is our Commvault Manager, and proceed with the default values. In the next step, I'll enable the IntelliSnap option on the vCenter Backup client. Now I'm going to create a new backup set for my Windows virtual machine and enable the IntelliSnap option. Now we are ready to start with the backup operation. right-clicking on the sub-client, and then choose Backup. On the job controller, we can watch the backup process as it completes. The IntelliSnap operation does not just take an array-based snapshot of that VMFS, but also interacts with the VMware itself. We jump back over to the vSphere client so we can take a look at what's going on there. As you can see, the IntelliSnap operation is taking a virtual machine snapshot of that VM, as well as quiesce the VM decay to create a quiesced array-based snapshot. The snapshot will be created and also removed after the array-based snapshot has been taken. We can jump back over to the Commvault interface and see that the process is complete. From the Array Management interface, we can indicate that a read-only snapshot has been taken. Now, I delete the VM and try to restore it from my array-based snapshot. On the Commvault administrative interface, I'm selecting the relevant subclient. Right-click on Browse and Restore, select Full Virtual Machine, and then select Recover All Selected. As you can see, the snapshot has been mounted to the ESXi host as a new data store. Now, the VM is restoring from the array-based snapshot. After the process has been completed, we can verify our virtual machine status. Here, we can see that the VM is fully restored from the exact point in time of that snapshot. Thanks for your watching.